What's going on, Power Stroke Nation? My name is Austin and welcome to the Power Stroke YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. I got an awesome purple Power Stroke. It's a 7.3 that I've been building, and I got some pretty cool news. If you guys follow the channel and you're an awesome subscriber who watches every video, you already know what last week's video was about. But if you're new, let me show you. So this awesome guy right here is a KC300X turbo that was sent to me by KC Turbos. It is going to go in the 7.3 Power Stroke. It's a 4-inch inlet. I don't know if it's a ball bearing, actually. I will have to look that up and I will give you guys that later. So these guys just re-engineered turbos for the 7.3. They've been tested. They can do 500 horse easily with the right injectors, and I'm super excited to throw this on my truck. Now, let me set this down because it's 40 pounds. It's like having a baby. Now anyways, you guys, I told you last week that I was gonna wait to put it in because I wanted to get it powder coated. So I've totally decided against that. I am not gonna be powder coating this turbo. If I powder coat anything under the hood, it'll be the charge pipes and then probably be about it. I am just itching to get it in the truck and I can't wait any longer. But sadly, not to get your hopes up, this week's video is not the install video of this turbo. Don't click away though. I just wanted to let you guys know that you won't have to wait much longer for this turbo to be installed. I think with my next YouTube paycheck, I'm gonna order a new pedestal that doesn't have the EBPV little arm thing on it. If not, worst case, I'll just leave it in the truck, throw the turbo in. It's not that hard to pull these turbos out. It's putting them back in that's the pain in the butt. I'm just too excited. I want to know what this turbo does, how it performs in the truck. I will not have my SMB intake in time for this to go in, but I figure I'll just keep running the filter I got, whatever. Anyways, I just wanted to deliver that good news that you guys will not have to wait much longer for this turbo to go into the truck. It won't happen this week, but it might happen next weekend. I'm gonna figure out timing and what I'm doing over the weekend and that kind of stuff. Because this will be a full weekend job because I'm gonna try to tackle it myself. I might get Wyatt to help. I might get a couple other buddies involved. We'll see how it all goes. I got some pretty cool stuff planned. I got a buddy who's actually getting his 7.3 built. It's about 550 horsepower right now. He's currently putting it back together. He just did the engine swap this last weekend, and I'm super excited to see it personally, and I will definitely share it with you guys on the channel. I'll get him over here and we'll talk everything he's done to it. And yeah. But anyways, I'm super excited to put this turbo into the truck because I have a lot of cool things that I wanted to talk to you guys about. I'm super excited to put this turbo in the truck because of the numbers it will help me produce in the 7.3. Now, a lot of the comments I get, I'll try to put some down here below, but a lot of the comments I do get are, oh, why would you build a 7.3? 7.3s aren't meant to be raced. They're slow. They're meant to tow. I get that. And I totally understand that these guys are workhorses compared to their other, brothers. The 6.0, 6.7, let's not talk about the 6.4. It is the workhorse of the Power Stroke family. But that's why I want to build it so bad to have performance. I'm going for 500 horsepower on my truck, but I want to build something that's a little bit different. So a lot of people build the 6.0s, a lot of people build the 6.7s, and yes, there are a lot of built 6.4s. I wanted to take the dinosaur of the Power Stroke family and build it to be something fast and impressive. Because the 6.0 is built, everybody knows they're fast. 6.7 gets built, everybody knows they're fast. 6.4s, blah. But I wanted to build the dinosaur. I wanted to have something that was totally different. That's why it's purple. That's why it's got a new turbo that's going to go into it. I'm going to do 205cc 30% hybrid injectors. KC Turbos actually put this turbo and the exact injectors I want in a truck that they posted on their Instagram about a week ago, and the truck made, I don't know if it had a tune yet or what, but it was about 500 horse and 900 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, we're talking new truck numbers on an old 7.3, and that's just with a mild build. That's just getting a turbo, injectors, and maybe a tune. I plan on running a hot tune for racing and that kind of stuff because I'm going to try to break that 500 horsepower mark. I'm going to do it myself. I'm not going to have a shop build my truck. I'm doing it all myself in my driveway. I just want to be that guy that built his truck up, So that's going to involve a lot of engine mods, and that's exactly why I'm not powder coating the stuff under the hood anymore. I wanted to take that money because it would be about $200 just to get the stuff powder coated, plus I'd have to buy more charge pipes because I need my truck during the week. So it would take more time and more money to just get it powder coated than just to leave it and do other things to the truck. I want to do a roll pan on the truck. I want to do some street tires. That leaves me more money to do more things with the truck. So if I powder coat, like I said, it's going to be $200 just to get the powder coating done. And then it's going to be another, I think, $150 to buy a new set of charge pipes for the truck because I need my truck every day. It's my daily driver. I drive it to work. I need it to be running every single day. So I can't take the charge pipes out, get them powder coated, and put it back in because I'd be without my truck for about a week. And yeah, I could try to find a shop that does, weekend work, but the shop that I want to use, I've seen their work, they do great stuff, and they're only open Monday to Friday. So that just left me with a small dilemma and a lot to think about, and after a lot of thinking and talking with my fiance, I decided no powder coat right now. We're going to just put the turbo in, get the truck going, and see how it performs. Now, powder coat will come later, exactly like I said. I'll just have to save up and buy new charge pipes and then send those off and get them powder coated. But for now, we're just going to leave what's we're gonna leave, you know, well enough alone, and we're just gonna get the truck going with the new turbo. With the money that I'm saving with not powder coating, I'm gonna take that and put it towards other mods for the 7.3 just to make it a little bit better. I mean, I'm talking engine mods and maybe some cosmetic stuff. Obviously the air filter is very important to me because I'm gonna be putting the new turbo on. I wanna put a good filter on because I'm just running the 6637 big filter. And although it's a great filter, I want something that's enclosed and I want cold air. And right now I'm just sucking in hot engine air. So that's where I'm gonna end this video. Super quick update. I just wanted to give you guys something to look forward to. We are going to be putting the new turbo in. Let me pick it up again. Please install me. That was weird. I'm sorry. So I just wanted to give you guys that quick update this week and get you guys ready for what's coming up. I'm sorry I've been so busy and not been able to upload, but you guys are always understanding and I really appreciate that. So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you go and watch some old videos and enjoy those as well. If you're new and haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please hit it, like this video, and I'll see you guys next week.